Hi, in this video I'll be covering the Briggs & Riley Baseline-Softside CX Expandable Trunk Spinner. This is the model UT130CXSP-4. It's the extra large version in black and measures 30 inches tall, 16 inches wide, and 14.5 inches deep, and is about 13.8 pounds. Being the CX line, the compression expansion zipperless expansion increases the packing capacity up to 34%, in this case an extra 2.5 inches. Then compresses back down to its original size. The baseline is considered the flagship, and like others, this baseline is made with the ballistic nylon outer fabric that resists wear, moisture, dirt, and abrasion. It's made with a hybrid fiberglass glass frame that's lightweight and provides flexibility, durability, and shape retention. The aluminum handle system has 4 stop heights to choose from and a cushioned top carry handle for smooth handling. There's also a handle at the bottom, though it's not as cushy. The zippers are self-repairing YKK RC zippers for a smooth zipper action. In the front, there's a large gusseted U-zip compartment for hassle-free access to extra items and a wide slip pocket for organizing files or folders. Above this is the speed-through pocket for quick storage of items. There's an orange lining that makes items easy to find. Plus, the orange is eye-catching to let you know if this pocket is left open. The corners are reinforced to protect all the 4 case corners from wear and abrasion. In the back is the hideaway ID tag on the back panel that conceals personal information when pulled and then self-retracts. As you can see, it has the 4 wheels that spin effortlessly in many directions for easy maneuverability in 360 degrees. Now let's take a look on the inside. The interior main compartment can accommodate large amounts of clothing, accessories, and gear. There's 2 mesh lid zip pockets for organizing smaller accessories and a large U-zip lid pocket that acts as a second packing compartment, or it could be used to separate outfits or accessories. The cool feature in here is, of course, the CX compression expansion system. You pull on the release hinge and pull up on the suitcase frame and boom! You've got 2 to 3 inches more space to pack your stuff. And if it's stuff you don't mind squishing, just zip it up and press down to compress the bag to its original size. This bag also comes with a Tsa Lock and the removable adjustable Smart Link strap. The strap enables you to attach another smaller bag onto your baseline so you don't have to hold on to an extra bag. In summary, this bag is another example of the Briggs & Riley quality from the exterior to the interior. And if you or your favorite airline damages the bag, feel secure that you can bring it into any authorized Briggs & Riley service center and get the bag fixed free of charge because of their unconditional lifetime guarantee. And if you're planning to have the bag for the long haul, you can't go wrong with an investment in a Briggs & Riley bag. Thanks for watching.